What is up, my friends? I hope you're excited because today I'm going to teach you how to play If This Is It Now by Birdy. Man, Birdy keeps on coming out with this good music. This new album that she has coming next year is going to be so good. If we haven't met yet, my name is Josh and I'm here on YouTube because I love to play the piano and I want to share that with you and help you learn to play the piano as well. I think that music is just a beautiful way for us to communicate with each other, and this song is no exception. But yeah, please let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed the song, if you want to see more like it, or if there's certain other songs you want to hear. And remember to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video and you want to see more. Here we go. Alright, in this tutorial we're going to go over 4 sections: the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, and then the chorus. Let's get started right away with the intro. By the way, this song is in the key of A flat. So starting with the left hand, in the left hand we're just going to be playing 2 notes on the B flat minor over A flat chord. That's going to be here A flat and an F. And then on the A flat chord we're going to be playing A flat, E flat, and A flat. And we're just going to start with the A flat and then move to the F, play this a couple times, and then when we switch chords, we're just going to move up like this. It'll make more sense when I play it in time with the right hand. So in the right hand, we're going to be playing octaves the whole time, which should make it a little easier, but it'll sound like this, starting with the B flat. B flat, C, D flat, B flat, E flat, D flat, C. Repeat. Now come up to the A flat. So those first 2 are exactly the same, except on the first time we're going to go E flat, D flat, C, and then the second time A flat, D flat, C. We repeat a third time. That's going to be just like the first time, and then the final time we move now to a B flat, and then lastly we'll play this chord, which is going to be an A flat chord, and we'll have a C and an A flat. Alright, now let me show you those hands together. Lastly, we're just going to end with this chord, a E flat over G chord, G and E flat in the bass, G, B flat, and E flat, and that is going to help us transition into our verse. Alright, and that is the intro. So in the rest of this song, it's played pretty freely, so it's going to be hard to show you exactly what notes are going to be played when, but I'll go through every one of the chords and show you generally how they're voiced. And then you can go back and look at the song preview and kind of see how I played them. So we'll start out with this chord, F minor. You can play it like this, F, C, F, and A flat. And then you'll hear that sometimes this C or this E flat will get thrown in 2, which would make it like an F minor 7. Then we'll move to this. So here, this is an A flat chord, but we're going to be playing this B flat as well, so it's going to be like an A flat add 9 chord. And the way that that one is played is we're just going to be walking down in the right hand from this C to this B flat to this A flat. But then, to make it sound a little more interesting, we're first going to roll up here from the B flat into the C, like that, and then we can add this E flat on top as well to make it sound even more cohesive. Like that. Now here we'll go to a D flat chord, and this is going to be played D flat, A flat, D flat in the left hand, F and A flat in the right hand. And I'm just gonna say that in general, pretty much every chord in this song, you can keep on playing this E flat kind of as a pedal tone here at the top. So I won't say that for every chord, but in general, this E flat can pretty much be safely played with every chord. But I'll just play it as a D flat here, but you could say D flat add 9 if you wanted. So we have our D flat, then we're gonna move to this chord again, the F minor, or F minor 7 you might say, and then back to the A flat chord, A flat add 9. Transition again with this E flat over G chord, we'll repeat. Now after we get to this A flat chord, we're going to move on to the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus is going to start here with our D flat chord, then to our F minor or F minor 7 chord, go to an A flat chord, and then to E flat. Now this is a new chord. We have E flat, B flat, E flat, and then G and B flat. So that again, that's D flat, F minor, A flat, E flat. We go back to the D flat. And here we're gonna play an E flat suspended. You see we're gonna keep this A flat here. So that's like our 4th. And we're gonna suspend that E flat and kind of just move around before going back to our E flat chord. And that's the pre-chorus. So now we get into the chorus. So the chorus is going to start with this little pattern, and it's pretty simple. It's just going to be E flat, D flat, C, and then that'll take us into our B flat minor chord. So you'll hear that in the song. All right, so our chords in the chorus are going to be like this. We'll start out with a B flat minor 7, but with the E flat on top again, which is going to be the 11th. So then after the B flat minor 7 and 11, we're going to go to this chord, which is going to be an A flat chord over C. We'll have C's octaves in the left hand along with this A flat, and then E flat, A flat, E flat here in the right hand. Next up, a D flat add 9 chord, D flat, A flat, D flat, F, A flat, and then E flat is our 9th. And then just a simple E flat chord. E flat, B flat, E flat, G, B flat, and E flat. Then once we get to this, we can just play this pattern again, and that'll take us right back into this. Also, you'll hear in a later chorus in the song that it gets played up here, octave higher or something, but now our top note is going to be this A flat. Like that. But you can voice those chords very similarly to the way that we did the original one at the lower octave. And all right, that wraps up this piano tutorial. This was a bit of a harder one, so I had to go a bit quicker through some of the sections, but be sure to let me know down in the comments if you have any questions for me. I'd be happy to answer those. Thank you so much for watching this video. It truly means so much to me, and the fact that you stayed to the very end of the video is truly, you are the super fans. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you in the next video.